Many of us have tried adding Reddit to our Google searches to find answers to things from real humans because much of the top search results in Google have been cluttered by articles and other websites who have gamed search engine optimization to rank high. Reddit is such a treasure of the experiences and insights of countless real people, which is why this trick has been valuable. But when it comes to language models, many of them were unfortunately trained on the same countless useless web articles, which is why you often get the same boring and sterilized answers from them when you ask them questions. You can prompt ChatGPT, Gemini, and other language models into synthesizing the latest knowledge from any subreddit by downloading recent and relevant high-quality posts from them and putting them in your prompt. I've created a pipeline here where you can enter a prompt in a subreddit and it'll answer your prompt with the insights from that subreddit. You'll need to configure your Google Colab account with your Gemini and Reddit keys, so please see the videos in my description on that. Here, let's query the INTP subreddit for the INTP personality type. For comparison, let's do a general Google search on it, and then narrow this search to Reddit itself before seeing what answer the AI synthesizes from the subreddit's contents. I'll have that run in the background here, and it'll take a couple of minutes to download it all. And here are the results from the AI when I asked the INTP subreddit, what are examples of good jobs for INTPs? Some answers the AI has given: remote work, jobs that utilize analytical and problem-solving skills, flexible work arrangements. However, I don't see any specific examples of jobs. Let's see if we can improve on it. Previously, the pipeline would pull the most recent and the best posts from the sub and only consider those with a rating of 5 or higher and were from the past year or so. But what if we want to leverage Reddit search as the first step? Here's another parameter you can pass to the query function called Subreddit Query, which is basically taking the results of a Reddit search of those keywords on that sub first and then filtering them out by date and karma. Let's rerun the pipeline again, but with the keyword jobs career. As you can see, the results are much more specific because it started by using Reddit's search for the keywords jobs career. For example, hydrogeologist, MMA coach, blog writer, electrician, etc. This may be useful if the topic you're interested in your prompt is basically a needle in a haystack, and you want the AI to consult the posts in the sub that are relevant to it. Finally, if you want to chat with the subreddit or the subreddit search results after you've made at least one query, you can go to the folder icon to the left and download the corresponding JSON file, which is basically a cache. Right-click to download it, and then drag the resulting file into a ChatGPT session. Anyways, please play around with this notebook, which is linked in the description, and review your results in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more content like this.